my name is Quincy. Welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa. That's my mom. And that's her mom. That's my mom. That's her mom. That's my mom. That's my mom. To the waiting room. Through to the rain room.
Elevator going up.
Two in your
Floor 1.
None of us are going to floor 1.
Quincy, what did you think of the rain room?
It was cool.
What did you like the most about it?
Getting soaked.
Getting soaked. Were you supposed to get soaked?
No,
No.
but I just did it
Why did you get soaked?
because I just got soaked.
Okay. Anything else you want to say about the rain room?
It was dark.
It was dark. What about the rain cake? Did you like the cake?
Tasted like Fruit Loops.
Like Fruit Loops?
Yeah, like the Fruit Loops that Grandma gave us from the party.
Oh. Those are good?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Yep. So, hey guys. We just finished.
Maybe a 9.
We just.
What did you think of the rain room?
It was beautiful.
How do you spell rain?
It was very clever. I thought it was very clever. I liked how, depending on how fast you walked, you could not get wet, even though you were literally standing in the middle of the rain. It was pretty cool. Yeah.
Auntie, look. I'm so sorry this happened.
I'd go again.
Yeah.
How do you spell rain?
Do you think it's good for children?
Yeah, I think so. Well, my kid had fun.
Did you like the rain cake?
Yes. I'd be interested to know what the ingredients were in the rain cake. It wasn't, I don't think it was what I expected. Because it had so many different layers and so many different flavours. But when they were all, when you ate them all together, it was really yum. That's what I thought anyway.
Nice. Oh, what did you think about the rain room, Mum? Ada?
I thought it was exciting, different.
What were you expecting when we said we're going to the rain room?
Nothing really, because I was trying to work out what it was when we got in there. It was dark.
But it was very calming. Do you think it was calming?
Yes, if we're all going slow and, thinking.
And what did you think about the rain cake?
The rain cake, it had all different types of taste to it. When you have to sort of try and savor the individual layers in it. I think it's just like the rain. You can feel the rain, you can get cold, it's most refreshing on a very hot day if it rained a little. So the cake was, you savor all the different flavors in it. So it was good. But with the experience for the children, it actually teaches not just the children, but us too, that we need to go slow and work out things in this life slowly. And if we run too fast, we get rained upon.
Thank you.
I'm out here handling business, give me the beat and I'm finna kill it. I'm feeling like soldier, pretty boy swag, I got a drip addiction. I'm out here handling business, give me the beat and I'm finna kill it. I'm feeling like soldier, pretty boy swag, I got a drip addiction. I'm really out here